reached 15 likes. And like I said in the last video, if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it, where he was doing my makeup. But we reached 15 likes, and now I get to do this. Are you excited?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want makeup on my face.
It's gonna look really good. Let's get started. I'm gonna start off with primer. The NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. We're gonna put that.
Can you not put mascara?
No, I'm gonna put mascara.
I'm scared. Dang.
I'm gonna put this bandana on him to pull his hair back. Wait. Okay.
I'm welcome into the game.
I'm just gonna rub that in. I obviously don't have a foundation color in his shade, so this is the closest thing we're gonna get to is concealer.
Can you warm it up a little before?
What?
Can you just warm it up? It's probably gonna be really cold.
This is still darker than you, but we're gonna use this. Why are you flinching?
It's too close to my face.
Babe, then close your eyes. I'm gonna place this as little
It's
dots
so cold.
all over his face. Now I'm just gonna show them how much I put on there. And now I'm just gonna take this brush, the Sephora brush that he used for me yesterday. Oh my god.
I look like Donald Trump.
It looks good. And now I'm taking a little bit of foundation from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna be using this as his contour shade.
Real sexy.
Yep. Super sexy. Now I'm taking this NYX HD finishing powder.
It's itchy.
I'm gonna set your contour. Turn this way. On your eyes. Now I'm gonna take my Salon Perfect Dip Brow. Just gonna brush up your brows. Close your eyes, because I don't want you saying nothing. Close it. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal True Match concealer and this little brush here. I'm gonna conceal underneath his eyebrows. And now I'm just running the concealer down over his whole lid so that I can get clean slate for eyeshadow. You can look at your brows, babe.
They look fresh. Dude.
I'm gonna brush the excess powder off of his face now. I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used for concealer. I'm gonna take this shade here and I'm gonna put that in his crease. And now I'm gonna go in with this orangey shade here and just blend out the top of that makeup.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna take this goldish color here and this one here, and I'm gonna be mixing that on his lid. But first I'm gonna take this one towards the outer lid. Now I'm gonna take the lighter of the two gold colors and I'm gonna take this lighter one and put that towards his inner corner. Ooh, okay, babe, you're looking fly. Okay, now I'm gonna take a very light shimmery color, maybe this pinkish one here. Yeah, I'm gonna put that one in his very inner corner for highlight and at the brow bone. And now that that is done with his eyeshadow, close your eyes so I can show them. A little sloppy, but good for my first time.
No.
Baby.
I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. I'm scared.
Friends, look up. Ooh. Yeah, she's lengthy. Close.
They're stuck together.
They're not stuck, babe. Look, you're getting it all over my perfection. Open your eye. Well, I can't find my blush, so I'm going to be using this Milani eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this middle shade, the orangish tone. I'm going to be using that for his blush. Smile a little bit. Yes, girl. I'm gonna take the Milani
I told you to grab it.
strobe light highlight, and I'm gonna take it, turn this way. There you go. I'm just gonna put a little bit on his highlight zone. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some and put it at the very tip of his nose. I think we're done.
No, you said.
Oh, lips. You're right.
Shit.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any matte?
What?
Matte.
You have a preference now?
I like matte colors.
I'm gonna take the Loaded C Undressed Liquid Lipstick and firstly, let me take some of this. I'm gonna take some of this because his lips are very chapped. Stop. Go ahead. Now I'm gonna take this shade. This is in Deep Orchard. My bad. Stop doing that. I don't need you to do that.
Oh.
Go. Okay. And now, yes, sister. And now for the hair. Wait for it. Just to spice up this look a bit, just a tad. I think it'll be fine. Oh, lordy. Okay. And now let's give you a little side part. Yes. Okay. Fix those curls, hunty.
Make it look natural.
A real natural. Look at this beauty queen. Snatched it weak. Hey, this is my perfection here, okay? So I do the look. How you guys liking it? You look fabulous. I can't even look at you serious. I can't look at you seriously right now.
Come on.
And now for my mom's reaction. Mom! And now for some finishing touches. Hang on, Mom. Perfect. 1 second. And now for some setting spray. Okay. Okay, Mom, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come in.
Mom.
This is my mother. Come in.
Tell her to sit right here.
Queen, right?
I need you to hurry and wash that.
Nah.
Alright, you guys. So, this is the completed look. He is looking flawless and like a star. Let me know if you guys like this video below and if you guys think he looks...
My bad.
Hey! Let me know if he looks good. Thank you guys for watching and love ya.